Hey and welcome back to my channel. I'm Daniel and today I will show you how you can go all the way up to Mount Teide, to the peak. Because what a lot of people don't know, only 200 people per day are allowed to go to the peak. And for this you need a permit and you have to apply online for this permit. You cannot get this permit if you just come to the park. You can only apply for it online. So when you come to Mount Teide, you have a base station is at 2,356 meters, and then the cable car goes up to the upper station, which is also called La Rambleta. But if you want to go all the way up to 3,718 meters, then you need this permit, what I will show you today. I also created an article on workingholiday.blog. You will find the link to the online application on my website. And when you are on the online website, you can actually even choose the different language like German, English, or even in Spanish if you're familiar with Spanish. So let's jump into my computer and then we do this together. So the process is straightforward. When you come here to the website, you can choose your language here on the top. I now do it for English. So and you start here with the list of activities. This is Pico del Teide access permits. You click here. On the next page, you have to go to bookings. This is here. So on this page, you just keep it as general public and you hit next step. On the next page, you have to decide which date you want to go. And just be aware it takes a little bit of time because the website is still from 2010 and the response time is a little bit slow. You select your date, and when you selected your date, you will see on the right side the available spots. So here, for example, in this case, 2 are already completely out or not available. And then if it's free, you can click here and tell how many people, because you can apply for your whole group. So if it's 5 people, or let's say if it's 2 people, then you can apply straight for 2 people. Next step. Straightforward, on the next page, you just have to put all your details in. If you're not from Spain, you can choose passport and just put your passport number here in and your name. And your nationality, it's all in Spanish. So for German, it's Alemania. Here. Here on the bottom, you also have to put the details from the other people that will join you on this trip. Accept everything, say next step. When everything worked well, then you get your bookings confirmation for your day. So don't forget to print this out because you need this together with your ID if you want to access the trail. I have a little bonus for you. There's one way how you can actually go to the peak without having a permit. And this is when you go there very, very early in the morning. But you have to leave the trail before 9 AM. I suggest you that you just do this in front of your trip, probably like 2 to 3 months in advance, and then you're on the safe side. And you don't have to pay anything, just don't forget it, do it, and that's fine. If you want to find out the link for this page where you can apply for it, it's in my article. You will also find more details and more information about Teide and how to apply for Teide's permit. If you like this video, I'm Daniel, hit like, subscribe, and dingle, 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 the bang, bang, gong. You know what to do, and we see us in the next video. Bye.